Hello, welcome back to CN Great Counsels and Forex Trades. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a wide array of other money-making opportunities in the financial market, otherwise known as Forex market. And that's going to be aside active trading on your chart. So if that sounds interesting to you, then keep on watching. Alright, welcome back once again, and I'm glad to know you are still watching. I am CN Honor in case you are new on this channel, and on this channel we talk about and upload contents on a weekly basis bordering on Forex trading strategies with special attention on boom and crash, and we also feature contents on wealth and investments and many other things success related. So don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the notification because you don't want to miss any upload on this channel. Okay guys, let's just get started. The Forex market is undoubtedly one of the biggest investment platform or zone the world over, with a whopping sum of $6.6 trillion traded on it on daily basis. It's also on record that in the year 2020 alone, over 10 million new broker accounts were signed up. Well, that's not surprising, and I want to believe that this spike in the number of new broker accounts in the year 2020 was associated by the tragedy of the deadly coronavirus pandemic. This might simply be because people were locked up in their various houses, and because man would always look for a way of survival, many were pushed online in search of digital money-making opportunities. You see, coronavirus, although a pandemic and was as well devastating, but also was positively opportunistic in many ways, changing many narratives, especially in the digital world. Up till now, the wave is still strong as there is a continual boost and awareness about the advances in digital technology and its wide array of opportunities. I am pretty sure you don't want to be left behind, which is why I am bringing this content to you as an eye-opener, okay, a kind of, and I'm just going to mention some other ways you can be making more money both actively and passively from one of the largest financial platform in the world. So this video is basically a kind of introduction to the series, but just to let you know that there are several other ways you can be making good money from the Forex market aside being active on your chart trading on daily basis. And to mention but a few, we have the following. Of course, trading is actually the main image maker of the business, but aside that, we have the following. You can become a Forex blogger or content creator, just like me, okay? Just like me and just like what I'm doing right now. Believe me, this can be so rewarding. It doesn't really matter if you are an active trader, an economic observer, or a popular analyst, provided you can provide useful, updated, and independent information on Forex markets, Forex earnings, and cryptocurrencies, okay? Secondly, the next is becoming an affiliate marketer to any broker of your choice that offers such services, whereby you introduce new users to the broker by sharing the broker's invite or sign-up links, and after that gain some commissions for doing that when the new user eventually signs up and starts trading. Another rewarding opportunity is a market stroke chart analysis delivery, whereby you study and analyze different trading charts, okay, and pairs, all right, and then you make predictions. Such analysis and interpretations can be monetized, and you make your cool money from it. The last opportunity I'm gonna introduce to you or mention in today's video is paid or VIP trading signal giving for those who have gone a step ahead of others by a way of sacrifices of time in learning and understanding of the forex market, to the point that they can now help others in giving them instructions on when and when not to execute trades. Now, in all of this and others that I didn't mention, you can be making huge amounts of money on daily, weekly, or even monthly basis, as the case may be, and up to several hundreds if not thousands of dollars, depending on your efforts. So kindly let me know in the comment section below if you like this kind of video, and if you want me to make detailed videos on some or all of the available opportunities and give you guides on how to start any of those, so that you can increase your earnings and increase your income as well. Just to let you know, I am also into many of these options, and you can do that as well. I make my money on daily, weekly, and monthly basis, and it's been so awesome and rewarding. I don't want you to be left behind, and that's why I am making this content, this video, for you to make your choice and increase your streams of income and also your earnings. So many thanks for watching today's videos, guys. But don't forget to leave your decent comments in the comment section below about whether or not I should make more videos on this topic. Also, subscribe to this channel, like and share this video as well, and I'll talk to you in my next video. This is CN Great Counsels signing out for today.